Hi everyone, I'm Rosie J. Pova, a children's author and writing instructor. I wanted to personally invite you to join me on a journey of picture book writing from idea to publication. If you've ever thought about writing for children but never got around to it, or maybe you've been writing for a while and have completed a few stories but have no idea what to do next, my 8-week online course is for you. You will get guidance, support, accountability, and feedback on your work. The course is a step-by-step process that covers all major aspects of picture book writing. I know that both the writing for children and the publishing process can be overwhelming if you're just starting out. It certainly was that way for me 16 years ago when I began my journey as a children's writer. I had many questions. I was confused, pretty much clueless, looking for answers, guidance, and support. So if you relate to that and need help, I can help. I encourage you to enroll in the course today. Make this a gift to yourself and let's work together. The deadline to sign up is Monday, January 4th, so don't wait. I hope to see you in the class and Happy New Year!